If you don't see calls from WhatsApp on Xiaomi 17 if they do not display on your phone, here's what you can do to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Now over here in settings, we want to go all the way to apps, and then in here, we need to find the WhatsApp. So find WhatsApp app, and we're gonna go over here. Next, we want to go to app permissions. And in here, we need to make sure that all the necessary permissions are granted. In my case, I don't have any permissions at all. So I can go to the call logs and I can grant them. I can also grant the access to the camera, of course. There we go. We have contacts. One of the most important ones is, of course, the phone over here. Maybe the SMS as well. Definitely notifications. We want to allow notifications. So make sure that they are enabled. Also over here, you want to go through these different categories and you want to make sure that they are enabled as well. In some cases, they might be deactivated, for example, by accident. But yeah, make sure that they are on. Let's go back. In here, I'm going to also grant the access to music and audio, maybe nearby devices as well, and photos and videos, because why not? All right. Now, after that, another thing that we can do is we can go to, once again, to notifications, actually. One thing that I have to specifically mention in notifications is the lock screen notifications. You want to make sure that they are enabled. Also, there is permanent notifications, which you probably want to enable as well. And hopefully after that, you will have your WhatsApp fixed, but in case it still doesn't work, you might want to clear data of your WhatsApp app. Now, you can start by just clearing cache, but if that doesn't help, you might want to go to manage space over here, and then inside the app, you might want to clear all the data of the phone. Now, this will result with you being signed out of your account, so you will need to sign back into your account. So before you actually decide to clear all the data from your app, you probably want to make a backup of your chats so you don't lose them. And if that also didn't help, then you can, of course, just completely uninstall the app from your phone and then install it one more time. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.